Hi again, YouTubers. So I am sitting down today to do a empties video. Now, I don't think I have ever personally done like just an empties video. Typically I do like favorites, regrets, and empties. At the end of 2017, I did like a favorites of 2017 video. And so my empties kept piling up and piling up. Plus, I'm on a kick to try and use up a lot of stuff. So that being said, I'm going to go through and show you guys, like, there's a ton of stuff I can't get over, and there's duplicates of some of this stuff. So I'm going to start here. First thing, because it's been a while since I did an empties, is my Monat S3 supplements. This helps my hair grow, stay strong, grow in, healthy, fuller, everything. I am obsessed with this. I take it every single night. I absolutely love it. I've been through 2 of them. I'm just going to start grabbing stuff. I use this up. It's Sol de Janeiro. It is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I was sent this through Melissa Prada when we were in Houston. I've used it up. It smells amazing. I would repurchase it. It is just, it smells like summer. I used up, this one was a Monat. It was the Smoothing Deep Conditioner. I tend to cut the tops of mine off. Generally, like I'll show you this, is I generally just cut the tops off, put a little bit of water in, and it pours out. This one was a Renew shampoo. However, with the conditioner, it was such a thick conditioner, I had to cut down really low so I could get my hands in there and scoop it out. But great way to get the end of your products out on something like that. I used up, this is old, guys, and I don't even know if they make this scent anymore. It is the Origins A Perfect World. Do they still make A Perfect World? It was a lotion I found in my closet. Used it up, still smelled good, like, so I used it up. Do you know what scent I used to love? Do you guys remember Spring Fever? I actually have a roller ball still left of that scent. It was the most amazing scent. I have no idea why Origins stopped making it. And actually, if you Google that scent, there's like cult followings to it of people like asking to have it brought back. It's like crazy. I used up one of my Maybelline Brow Define and Fill Duos in the color Auburn. I love these things. I'm obsessed with them. I use this end 99% of the time, and this end I add in every once in a while. In the winter, in this time of year, I use so many more lotions. Like in the summer, I use a lot of body oils, and in the winter, I use lotions. I want thick, heavy lotions on my dry skin. This brand is by far my favorite brand for the winter time. Dermadoctor KP Duty. It is the dermatologist formulated AHA moisturizing therapy for dry skin. I'm obsessed with this stuff. I buy it in 2 packs. I should probably try cutting this open and see if that makes a difference. I'm going to put that aside and see if I can do that. While I put it aside, look, I have another one. There's 2 of them. I'm going to try and cut those open and see what I get out of it. That one was going to fall. I used up one of my Monat Reshape Root Lifters. I use this stuff every single time I wash my hair. I'm obsessed with it. I used up a Kardashian Sun Kiss. They don't even make this anymore. Gradual Sunless Lotion. At this time of year, every once in a while, will do like the lotion just on the upper half of my body, like kind of from my chest up, just to give me a little bit of color. So I used that one up. I had used this up. I'm trying to use up any hair products. I use them on the last day right before I wash my hair so it doesn't get me too much buildup in my hair. I'm trying to stick 100% with Monat, but I'm trying to also use these up. This is the Triple Sec Texturizing, Amplifying, and Refreshing from the Dry Bar. I liked it. It was nice, but I wouldn't repurchase it. I used up my Obagi Exoderm Forte. I have another one already, and I'm using that. I used up the Clinique Acne Solutions Liquid Makeup in the color 03 Fresh Neutral. Use this up. I have another one of these already down here somewhere. I have been trying not to use this, strangely enough, because I was wondering, I was getting these breakouts on my chin, and I was wondering if it had to do with that. Haven't really had any bad ones since I stopped using it, so that's kind of a bummer because I liked it. That same KP Duty, the Dermadoctor KP Duty. This is the body scrub with chemical and physical exfoliants. It's paraben free. It's amazing. You guys just saw this in a haul last week. This stuff, I love it in the winter. I live by it in the winter. It's just amazing. I had a Beauty Junkies sponge. This was probably one of my favorite sponges with this edge. I need to get another one of these. This one ripped, and of course it ripped right at a spot where I'm constantly using it, and it was just getting annoying, so that has to go. Monat Intense Repair Treatment. This is a spray that helps your hair grow again, regrowth, everything like that. I use that when my hair is wet. Eponce, I believe is how you say it. You know I'm bad at that. Lactic Sport TX. I use this through the summer and in through the fall. In the winter, I use vitamin C. I interchange them out. I just kind of need to mix it up with my skin every once in a while. Otherwise, it gets too used to stuff. Soap and Glory Sugar Crush. Sweet Lime Fragrance Body Buttercream. Use this one up too. This smells amazing. It smells so good. It's like sweet lime. Yep, sweet lime. That's their description. Use this one up, the Sephora Perfection Mist Airbrush Foundation in the color Medium. I love this stuff, guys. This stuff is just a great, great, great foundation. I used up, this was, and I have, it's a refill one. I've refilled the actual compact. This is the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra in the color 220. I used the sponge with it, as you can see, and that's what it looked like. Use that up. Marc Jacobs Fine Liner, the black one. I use these all the time. I have 2 more backups of it already. Clinique Moisture Surge Extended Thirst Relief Gel Cream. I was using this all through the summer. I have gone back to using my Obagi Exoderm. No, that was what it was done. Hydrate. And I actually just ordered the Hydrate Luxe because my skin is so dry right now in the winter that my face just needs more. Roden Fields Daily Body Moisturizer. I really like this. I think I'm going to order another one of these. I really, really like that body lotion. The Obagi Sun Shield Matte. I had ran out of my large one. I had a sample one, so I wanted to use this up. And then now I've repurchased the large one. The Monat The Champ Conditioning Dry Shampoo, by far my favorite dry shampoo. Can't live without that. And the last thing is my Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. I put this in my hot tea every single morning. It has no flavor, no color, no anything. It doesn't have any scent to it. It's just, it is just so good for you to have these extra collagen peptides in your system. It's so good. So I do a green tea every morning. I put in 1 package of stevia. I put in 1 scoop of this. I do my green tea, and then I put in a teaspoon, tablespoon, whatever the spoon is you use, just regular daily spoon, like a spoon you eat with, of apple cider vinegar, the Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar. Sorry if you hear the pups back there playing together. So I am obsessed with this stuff. I get it on Amazon, and I'm on my 2nd jar of it, and I wouldn't go without it. It really, I feel like I felt a difference in my skin since I started using that. So that is all of my empties. I do have 2 products that I am getting rid of, only because they smell like they've gone bad. Yeah. These are 2 lipsticks. It's a shame. I'm kind of trying to go through my lipsticks and check them out right now. That's Hourglass in the color Mural and the color Peace. I had 2 of them. I don't even think they sell those anymore, but they both, I pulled them out to use them, and I was like, no. So they're hitting the trash. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my empties, because it was a lot. Typically, I would just throw them in at the end of a video, but so many of these things are items that I really loved and would repurchase and have repurchased. Many of them are also things that I was just trying to use up. So I wanted to show you guys what those things were. I hope you guys enjoyed this. What else I am wearing on my face, I have on Estee Lauder's matte primer on my forehead and my T-zone, and then the smoothing primer everywhere else. I have on the Amore Pacific Cushion Compact Foundation in 102. I have on Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer just as a contour. Laura Geller Bronze and Brighten Bronzer just to buff everything out in my highlight, like the areas where the sun would hit me. I have on It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Powder to set just in my T-zone. Under my eyes, Tarte CC Corrector, and then Urban Decay Naked Concealer set with Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. On my eyes, the only thing I have on is the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in Taupe, and I brought it down under my eyes a little bit. Marc Jacobs Flesh and Fantasy Blush. On my lips is Marc Jacobs Primrose with a little bit of Hourglass Whisper. It was one of these lipsticks that hasn't gone bad, so that's kind of impressive. And that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.